Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how anyone can create your own NFT marketplace or NFT DApp using open source Express SDK. Before jumping into the process, let me show you some development around Express Protocol. First, no development cost. Building any NFT DApp on Express Protocol does not require any development cost. Second, user interface. Our updated version with user interface allows user to interact with smart contracts. Third, blogs. We have also updated the blogs section for all SDK use cases. Links are in the description. Now, I will tell you some cool interesting facts about Express Protocol. First, protocol layer. User can cross-list their assets across multiple platforms since all the NFTs will be existing and interacting with each other on protocol layer rather than individual NFT marketplace. Second, not a white label marketplace. Engage in absolute ownership of your platform and eliminate all the white label dependencies. Now, let's get started with the Express Protocol.io. As you can see, we have two options here. We have tryout section where we have built various NFT DApps on Express Protocol for your feasibility. Next option, documentation. Here you can find a drop down called use cases where I am going to cover to how to build an NFT marketplace today. So in this guide, we will make NFT Marketplace DApp using Express Protocol SDK, through which anyone can mint, buy and sell tokens. We will use Pandora Public ERC-721 contract for NFT minting and Pandora Market contract for buying and selling. You also need to connect wallet, so make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed. Before that, we need some prerequisites required for us to build the project. Node.js version should be more than 16 and npm version should be more than 6 and MetaMask browser should be extension should be installed and parcel bundler should be installed for JavaScript. So first, we start by creating empty folder and open it in our favorite editor. We will use VS Code. The next step is to install all the dependencies required. After that, we need to create a front end for our DApp so we can interact with it. We will make an index.html file in VS Code and paste the following code in the documentation. We have made a simple front end with 3 input fields. User have to enter the token URI in the first field that will create NFT for the user. Next section, we have to give token ID that the user have to create previously and the base price in which the user wants to sell his NFT. This will put the NFT on sale. Followed by the last section, in which the NFT buyer can buy the NFT by providing the sale ID of the NFT and the amount he wants to offer for the NFT. So the next step is to create a main.js file and paste the following code in the doc. The next step is to import the SDK functions in our DApp and make connection with blockchain using MetaMask. For that, we need to write a JS logic which we provide in the doc. Now, we have to define the mint function that will mint NFTs using SDK. We have minted an NFT using the SDK now. We can sell the NFT in the market using sell function of the SDK. Define the sell NFT function as written below. We have put the NFT on sale. Anyone can buy the NFT by providing price more than the sale item. You can also try buying the same NFT using different account in your MetaMask wallet. Try pasting the code below for buying NFT. After setting up the main.js file and defining all the required functions for our NFT marketplace, we need to get the parameters from the front end using JavaScript DOM. By pasting the following code in the doc, we have connected the front end to the JS logic. After doing that, we have came to an end for building part. Now we need to run the following code in the terminal to the SDK to be started. And that's it. You have created your own NFT marketplace within minutes and minted as well as listed your first token in the NFT marketplace. If you want to use the functionalities and numerous other like time, auction, creating collection, bidding, etc., today you can use and check out our SDK documentation, which gives you plug and play SDK components for front end. Also, for the further updates, we are coming up with more enhanced features like gasless minting, staking, and more in our V2. Till then, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.